Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name konimaphalaphatwa. If you're new here, please do subscribe, share, like and comment. And if you're coming back, king, queen, what do you do? Welcome back home. Welcome back home. Welcome back me home. It's been a minute. Hey, it's long overdue. Anyway guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. And let's just get straight into the video. So guys, before I start explaining what we'll be doing in this video today, I just want to say thank you very much for the support, like from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Right now we're sitting on 520 something subscribers. Yes, we rode to 1k, and yeah, keep on subscribing, keep on sharing, and keep on recommending more videos. And I am going to do a separate video explaining where I've been. So basically, let me just not be dramatic about the whole situation. I've been doing my assignments and exams plus work, so I just couldn't balance YouTube, work, assignments, just everything. So I had to put YouTube aside for a minute, but right now I'm back. So yeah guys, I'm back. So in this video guys, I'll be showing you guys how to finesse your stick on nails. If you haven't watched my Shein haul, please go check that video out. And yeah, so today I'll be showing you how to rock stick-on nails. Yo, I feel beautiful. Yeah, so I'll be showing you guys how to rock stick-on nails, and while showing you guys everything, I'll be just playing music in the background. If I have to explain something, I'll hop in ka voice over. So let's get into it. So obviously you need stick on nails. I bought these nails from Shein, as I said, and I've already like selected the nails that I'll be using. I think they're like 24 nails in here, but then I'll show you. The reason why I've already separated the nails that I'll be using, it's for time, and it's much easier for you to like finesse everything, not sticking and then finding which nail, you know what I mean. So you need nails. If you have nail polish, or like I don't have nail polish right now, obviously you need a nail polish remover. You will need a glue. I prefer buying like a separate glue because I just feel like this one is stronger, and I bought it from Clicks. This is the glue that I use. And you need a nail filer. Well, this is my old nail filer, and this one is my new one. Let me show you a trick. Since what do you call this, a new nail filer, right? Like it will cut a bit of your meat. So what you do to avoid that, this is what you do. Like you just, yeah, that is what you do. And where I buy my fellas, it's your Indian, your Makula stores. You know me, right? And you also need a nail kit. Yeah, I bought this from this cam like 3 years back. I was still at school. I know, right? I'm in varsity at Boston at college. So yeah guys, let's just start. So right now I'm just trying to get rid of the dead meat so that the stick-on nail can like fit in properly. You just have to be patient, and because you don't want to cut yourself, okay? If it's painful, know that it's not dead meat, but then it's not when it's not painful, then yeah, you can just, you know, carry on. So now that I'm done, I'm removing the dead meat and creating space for the stick on to like you'll see when I do it. So I'm just going to go in with a filer. The reason why you need to file your nails is because your nails are smooth or shiny or yeah, or shiny. So you like going to create when you file your nail, it's just going to create like a gravel or bumpy effect for the nail to last longer. Yeah, for the glue to stick more. So yeah, let's do this.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Hey, sweet talk.
So now that we're done with filing and our nails are ready, as I said in the beginning of the video, or yeah, that I've already separated my nails. Instead of you applying the glue directly on, on the stick on, for it to be easy, and guys, please don't use super glue. Don't use super glue, okay? Don't use super glue. So you are just going to apply the glue directly to your nail. So wait for the glue to be tacky, like when you're doing your eyelashes. And after that, yes, the nail. I don't know if you can see. I'm just going to slide the nail inside, then press it like so. You see on how it's like it looks like it's your nail. And you're going to repeat the process. Like so.
Take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and check. Take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and check.
So yeah guys, this will be the end of the video. What I'll advise you is that if you like maybe going out or thingy, travel with your glue inside the bag in case maybe one will pop out during the people, and then you just go to the bathroom or the corner and fix them. And yeah guys, this is how I do my stick-ons, and believe me, you, it's not the first time. I'll put a picture here to show you guys. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Until next time guys. Mwah.